Get acquainted with the 2017 Nissan Armada. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get into this upscale Armada and let the adventure begin. From its spacious cabin that seats 8 in refined comfort, to its standard driver assist safety tech, to its massive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive, this commanding SUV gives you the confidence to take on whatever the journey has in store. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate, rear AC, electronic stability control, power driver seat, aluminum wheels. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.